Hey everybody, welcome back. Check this out. We've got windows in now. I got all the windows in. So one on the front, there's the one on the back side, or I should say the west side. And if we go around over here, we got the door in and the other window. I think I'm gonna put some staples in this piece of rolled roofing up there. Didn't quite glue to it as well as I thought it would. Plus, it's just not getting very hot up here anymore. So it takes the sunlight to make that stick to it. Highs are in the 60s at this point, and it's going to continue to get colder. And then there's the window on the east side. Here's the window on the north side, along with the door. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna put some staples in this so the wind doesn't get a hold of it and try and pull that off. But I got the door on here. Here's what I was talking about here on the bottom of the door, where when this comes out all the way, it's going past my deck by probably a good 6 inches. So I'm gonna have to extend that deck out a little bit, at least there, before I put railing on this. But I'll run a rail from, you know, there all the way down to the stairs, so have something to hold on to. I'll have to be a little bit careful this year because it won't be done, so I'll just be careful when I come up here. But that'll be ultimately what I'll do. I'll have to extend this out probably about 6 inches, I'm thinking. And that'll be enough, I think, just to, I don't have to support it from underneath. I think I can just build a little bit of piece of wood out. It's the only color I could get. I could get this tan color, which actually doesn't look that bad. It's not the worst color in the world. And then here we're gonna have a nice echo. So we got all the windows in here. There's the view towards the west. There's towards the south. I can see all the way to the 5-acre field from here. And then here is the east, and then this is back towards the north. Usually don't see much coming through on this side because it's all swamp, hard to walk through, whereas like that's a good path they come in on. They often come out through here, as well as that path that goes all the way out to the 5-acre field. And then they often come across this ridge right here on the pond. They come across right through there, or, you know, sometimes they'll come back through there. So we've got all points covered from here, so it's pretty cool. These are the windows I put in. I'm gonna close this door so it doesn't slam on us. It's a nice latch door. It's actually got a lock on it. Here's the keys to it. I'm gonna leave those there for now. I don't know if I actually ever take the keys out of here, but it's got a nice lock so it can't be opened from the outside once you're in. Maybe that'll help when I'm bear hunting, right? Although a bear could break through that door. Man, it's beautiful up here right now. Most of the leaves have turned and fallen at this point. But the way these windows work is it's got these little tabs on the bottom of them. You push those tabs down and the window just flaps up. It's got magnetic pieces right here. I got to still attach it right here so it'll stick. That's the last piece I'm going to do. But otherwise, that's the view. They're super quiet, so that's nice. So that's what we got done today, guys. This is I can hunt out of this now, and I don't think I'm going to do anything else out here. Hunting starts in a couple of weeks, and it's going to be good to be able to hunt out of this. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We will see you guys in the next one.